What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am going to be showing you guys how to make a hot tub. But first let me show you my new house in 3, 2, 1. Whoa, ain't that sick guys? Look at it, look how sick that looks. Look, indoors, it's pretty plain right now. Put in the comments what you want me to build next in my next video and stuff like that. And yeah, that's my house as well. And if you want to tell me what I should put in my house, it's pretty small but I like it. So let's just quickly get to the hot tub, because I am very tired today, and I think this is gonna make me feel relaxed because I'm stressed and stuff like that. So if you want to see my last video, this is where I built a shower. I can't even speak today, and turning on and off shower, so go check that out. Oh wait, I found a hot tub, let's go. Oh, let's go in it. Oh, it's so nice, so nice. Oh, now I feel relaxed. So guys, what you need is quartz stairs. So this is all that you need. So first is quartz stairs, second is quartz slabs, then third is spruce trap doors, then fourth soul sand, and fifth bucket of water. Water bucket basically. And I don't know where I should build this. Here, yeah, I think here, right here. So you build 4 everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So 4 all around. So you have a 4 kind of blocks in the middle, and then you dig 2 blocks down on every block that you have here. So look, 1, 2, like just like that. Just copy what I'm doing, guys. Then you place. Then you get your soul sand, you place it in right here, so like, yeah, in this place, like right there, you place the soul sand there. But you want your place you're gonna be like, oh but it's made out of dirt. Oh, it don't really look that good. So that's why we have got the quartz slabs. So break all these blocks around, like over here, all this dirt, and then just keep them, build it twice on top of each other. I hope I don't ruin this, because last time I had to get an extra piece of, look, I'm doing so bad right now. Yeah, and you place it all around, and look, it looks much better. And then you're going to be like, where the hell do I place the water? You place the water on the stairs. Look how sick that looks. Literally on the stairs. And it goes well together and stuff like that. Now, and basically, the soul sand makes bubbles, and then the soul sand makes it look like a hot tub, because normally hot tubs like have bubbles as well. And you'll be like, oh, but why does it look so bad at the back? So you get your spruce trap doors and you place it all around like this, like I'm doing right now. I'm nearly done and done. And look how much better that looks. Look, perfect. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial though. Look, and now you have a hot tub. And then you can come relax, and yeah, it is so good. I actually pretty much like this. So comment down below what you should see on my next one, what you want to see on my next one, what I should build, because nobody is commenting, so I'm running out of ideas. So, oh my god, my throat, I might have to bleep that out because of, actually no, I'm not going to bleep that out. I'm not afraid. I'm afraid, but actually I might bleep that out. Just in case this video gets taken down just because I said that word. So, let's go back to my house, because I have finally relaxed in my new hot tub. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is my world. If you want to come join, my Xbox name is YTRyRy, because that used to be my old YouTube name. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and share, and peace out.